It's Learn and Be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an awesome week. Yes, so today I wanted to do a kind of like fun video. We're in the middle of like exam season right now and I've got hella revision, so what better way to blow off some steam than by doing, you know, a challenge. Yes, I don't know if you've seen on YouTube right now, but at the moment there's a challenge going around where everyone does their makeup in their native tongue. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a go at that. I'm a Nigerian girl living in the UK. I was born in the UK, and the thing is with Yoruba, I don't think in my life at least, or anyone around me speaks conk like Yoruba. It's a bit like Spanglish. You know how you got a bit of English in your Spanish? Yeah, that's how Yoruba goes for me. Like it's mixed in with a lot of English. For like, you know, I might have this, but I very well might not have this. Quick background story: my mum's mum, so my grandma, she came to live with us for I think like 8 or 9 years, and she still didn't speak a lick of English. So those years were, you know, a good time for me to exercise my native tongue, my Yoruba. Yeah, it's been a while, so oh yeah, we'll just see how this video goes, okay? And yeah, oh, I hope I don't come and embarrass my mom or my dad. Lenny, mo fẹ́ ṣe ojú tí kò, it's not, you know, too much. Wow, this is harder than I thought, and I haven't even started yet. No, yeah, but me ò fẹ́ ṣe anything too hard, too don't buy. Wow, get nervous. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mi kì í ṣe ojú irun ojú mi first. Mo ń fi sílẹ̀ fún later, but máa ṣe ojú mi. Máa lo Scandinavia primer spray yìí láti kún ojú mi, torí ojú mi máa ń dán. So eléyìí máa jẹ́ kí makeup yẹn kó dúró sójú mi. Yes. A tún máa fẹ́ báyìí kó lè settle sínú skin mi. Wow, I'm laughing at myself already. Okay, go on with your bad self. Anyway, máa lo kíní láti kó kún gbogbo blemishes yìí ní ojú mi, torí mi ní perfect skin, you know. So máa ṣe báyìí. For foundation yóò dúdú ṣá, a máa lo díẹ̀ níbẹ̀, ní lo gbogbo ẹ̀. Máa tún lo brush yìí láti kó rẹ. Máa ra láti dàbí àwọn slay queen. This is so hard. This is just so hard. I never. Wow. Tabati ṣe yẹn náà. A máa lo primer mi. Torí a fẹ́ dán. And eléyìí wọ́n pè ní Pop Beauty 24K face base. Ṣètìrí nísìn. Tabati lo eléyìí sójú wa. It's just gonna. Wow. It's gonna come together. Àti abẹ́ ojú. Torí abẹ́ ojú mi what's the word for dry? Let's just move on, shall we? I'm a low proper foundation one. I'm a low pump it con. I'm a low brush. I'm a low by. I'm a te by. Get te sunu uju. Ẹ ṣé fún màmá mi àti bàbá mi torí wọ́n bí ọmọ tó lẹ́wà gan. Yeah, mo fẹ́ what do I want to do? Mo fẹ́, oh God. Tá bá ti ṣe yẹn, a máa mú concealer wa. Mo ní mẹ́fà is 5. Is mẹ́fà 5? I don't know if mẹ́fà is 5 or 4. But mo ní concealers yìí láti from Revolution, innit? A máa lo C13 láti jẹ́ kí ojú wa dán ní abẹ́ ojú wa. A láti dán bí ìràwọ̀. A máa filẹ̀ fún I was gonna say ọjọ́ méjì, but that's 2 days and that's a long time and that's not what I want to say. Jẹ́ kí n lọ fi beauty blender mi sábẹ́ omi. Kíni máa ń bẹ́. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah. Took me so long. Mo mọ̀ pé nínú village mi wọ́n pè mí ní I am Campbell. Wọ́n ní pè mí ní Beyonce torí mi funfun, mo dúdú. Ẹ fẹ́ wọ́n nínú slay queen ẹ láti fi concealer tó funfun díẹ̀ sórí ojú yín. So tí n bá ti lo C13 yẹn, màá tún máa lo C12 ká máa fi díẹ̀ torí ó funfun o ṣẹ́rí ó funfun à ń láti lo díẹ̀ lórí lábẹ́ ojú wa, and lábẹ́ ojú wa is the only place tí a máa fi concealer yìí sí. And this one ní fi ilẹ̀ rárá, go inside straight away. A tún máa fi C12 yìí díẹ̀ sí imú wa, a tún máa fi díẹ̀ of this C12 lórí imú wa, kó jẹ́ kí rí tírín, láti rí tírín. Nísìnyí a fẹ́ contour ojú wa torí ojú mi ó wà bí ṣíbí. Where that came from. So I'm gonna lo foundation yìí tó dúdú pàtó. And sometimes tí n bá fẹ́ jáde, mo mọ̀ pé ó máa yọ photo tó pọ̀ jù, màá lo black opal yìí láti fi sábẹ́ foundation yìí tó dúdú láti kó lè blend. Màá set gbogbo areas mi, màá tún wá padà, okay? So get dúró náà. Ẹ ti rí nísìnyí pé mo fi powder yẹn sílẹ̀ fún abẹ́ díẹ̀. Okay. Nísìnyí màá ṣe irun ojú mi. Mo like láti lo pencil. Mi kì í ṣe irun ojú tó tóbi mọ́ torí kò fine. Fún mi kò fine. A ti máa lo concealer yẹn láti kó wà neat. Nítorí mo fẹ́ lọ kàwé ní ìrọ̀lẹ́, mi ní fi eyelash sí ojú mi. Fẹ́ ṣe jẹ́ kí fún everything láti lẹ́pọ̀ báyìí. A máa lo mascara yìí láti ojú wa. Mo like láti lo mascara méjì torí irun ojú mi ó dàbí ajá. Máa ṣe báyìí. A tún máa lo highlighter díẹ̀ síbí. So Ọlọ́run ó lè ríra. Ṣé ayé dá? Is life good? It's not good. No. Our pronunciation is whack attack. Ká tún máa lo highlighter yìí láti fi sí imú wa. So the whole world knows pé I'm done here. Okay. A tún máa lo spray mi. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ yìí tí a ti ṣe kò ní yọ kúrò. A ti ṣetán nísìn o. Ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé a ti débí. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. To all my Yoruba kings and queens, I'm sorry if I did you wrong. Yeah, like I said, I'm a British born Nigerian girl and I did the best I could, so don't slay me please. Yeah, I was concentrating so hard on what I had to say. Like, I know I messed my makeup up. Yeah, I messed it up. I'm looking at it and I'm just like, is this what you did? Is this your queen? Clearly not, because the makeup is trash. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't even put no lip gloss on. My lip is dry. Yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.